Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Because right now in front of you HP Color LaserJet Pro 400 m451nw model, and the issue is with this printer, it's showing that jam in tray 1 and clear jam, and then that's okay. This is tray 1 and this is tray 2, and I just remove the tray 2 and there is nothing jam inside. Okay, to check in jam in tray 1, I will open it. Okay, you can see there is paper is jammed over here, and how to release this paper, we have to go down and we will pull down this tray and you will find paper over here. Fine. Okay, this was the paper was jammed before. Now we will close this cover for tray 1. This is actually tray 1 feeder inside. Now I will insert tray 2 and then we will press OK. Now it's initializing and the printer is started initializing. We will wait until it will become ready and then we will go for test print. Stay with me. Right after initializing, it started calibrating. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes, so we will wait until it will finish calibrating, then we will go for test print. So printer is showing status ready over here. I will go for report and will click on splice status or demo page, whatever you want. Just click on the required option. I just started to print splice status page to make sure that the feeder roller and everything is working fine or not. And as you can see, the feeder roller is not working, so it's showing an error jam in tray 2. So we will go for fix the feeder roller in the tray 2. Pull this tray out, keep it aside anywhere, and we will lift our printer to fix the feeder roller. I will lift our printer like this because the issue is with this feeder roller. It's not picking up the paper. Okay, I finished the cleaning the feeder roller, the downside. Now we will check the print report of demo page. Let's see, it is feeding the paper or not. Yes, it's printing fine. Now feeding the paper very well. Okay viewers, this was the method. If you found error for jam in tray 1, you have to find over here, and if it's not picking up the paper from the tray 2, then you have to clean the feeder roller from the downside. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding this machine, Pro 400 HP Color LaserJet, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.